Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will draw and color this graceful stingray together. Now, let's start drawing. The stingray is a marine fish with a very distinctive shape, featuring a flat body and large pectoral fins that spread out like wings. Thanks to this body structure, stingrays can move gently and smoothly through the water, looking as if they are flying in the ocean. They usually live in shallow waters, sandy seabeds, or near coral reefs, where they can easily hide and search for food. Stingrays mainly feed on small animals that live on the ocean floor, such as shrimp, crabs, and mollusks. Some stingray species have a spine on their tail, which is used for self-defense. With their soft swimming movements and unique appearance, stingrays always create a peaceful and captivating feeling. And now, let's start coloring. So, we have finished drawing and coloring this graceful stingray. Follow the channel to continue drawing and discovering more unique and fascinating animals together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video to support the channel. Thank you very much.